It's 6:45. I have a studio helper. He's Steven Seagal. I think he wants some food. This is my little studio I've set up. And my view. And friends.
I pray that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Ooh, just take it slow. I'll wait to find love, better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view. And I pray that it won't be over soon.
Good morning. It's a nicer day for Northwest. See what I'm enjoying. Morning sun.
From now I will feel the ocean view. And I pray that it won't be over I don't usually cry at all, but wow, is it always close, ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Ooh, just take it slow. I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, get there. I really miss the shade of blue. Ooh, just take it slow. I'll wait to find love, better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon.
Windy again. Hi. I've been in Sussex all weekend and it's been nice. I came down for my granddaughter's 3rd birthday. So we've got balloons and things everywhere. It's quite nice. I'm going to look at my view. Sorry if it's a bit shaky. I haven't got my tripod. It's a little bit grey today, but it's okay. Yeah, I brought my art stuff with me and I haven't done that much. I went to Sea Whites, which was great, and I bought some stuff. What was it? £70 later. I can't think what I bought now. Let me show you. Just flip the camera around. This is my mess that I've sort of created. I've been doing some work. I haven't done as much painting as I wanted to, but anyway. What did I buy? I bought, move stuff out of the way. I bought some, it's really exciting, not really. I bought some charcoal. I can't remember how much that was. I bought some of these watercolours because these were half price. These ones, Spanish things. What are they called? And never can pronounce it. Sorry, it's not focusing. Focus! You can see it down there. Verging or something. Verging. They're quite nice. I like using them. That's stuff I got before. I got a couple of acrylic inks. I got this white one, which I like using when I do my abstract landscapes. I got a nice blue colour. You can see it's like a sort of grey. It's Prussian blue, but it's not the Prussian blue you think it is. It's not, hasn't quite got that green to it. I bought these, which I thought were really cute. They have neon colours as well. My daughter got the neon ones. I can't open it with one hand. I should have put the thing in the tripod, but I couldn't be bothered. Just to make things difficult for myself. Hang on a sec. They're made in the Czech Republic and they're like inks. Why won't it focus? It's really annoying. Focus on it. Focus, focus, focus. Focus. No, it's not gonna. No, there we go. This, I don't even know what they're called. It just says 6 inks. They're the Corinal. But you've got really nice colours. You've got a green, a yellow, orange, browny colour, brown. That's the orange, red colour. A blue and a black, I think, yeah. So they'd be cool. I'm gonna play with those. What else did I get? I can't think. No, I spent £70. Oh yeah, I got 2 pens. Where are they? Amongst all this stuff. These pens. These Pentel signature pens. I really like them. I just like the nib on them. Oh, great. I was trying them out yesterday. This is my bed. So it's really not focusing. There we go. It's got a really nice nib on the end, and I like those for like drawing and things. What else did I get? I got 3 of these oil. I got this one and I don't really like it. It comes out like that. I don't know why I got that one. It's like gold, but then I got a reddy brown and a green one. I guess my storm damage finger. The black fingernail. What else did I get? And I think I just bought paper. I bought a big thing of A3 paper since I've got snazzy trainers and socks. A big thing of A3 paper which I use loads. I do my the chair on. These are for patterns that I do, like lobsters and whatnot. I bought 2 of these blocks of watercolour. Then I bought another palette, one of these flat palette things. I bought 2 of these books, sketchbooks that I like using. Ooh, it's got really nice paper in. And then I bought these 4 of these big A3 sketchbooks, which I really like. It's got that nice paper in again, so I got 4 of them. Yes, 4 of those. And then, oh, I've got this big block of paper. I'm too close to this big block, which is really nice. And then, oh gosh, I'm dropping everything everywhere. And the best thing that I bought was this. Look, it's a bamboo brush roll thing, and I want to get another one actually because I've got so many brushes. I want one for my watercolour brushes, and that's great for like taking stuff out with you and things. I did have like a plastic pot, but I didn't like it that much. Oh, what else did I get? I got some purple tissue paper. Not for anything really. So there we go. Yeah, so that was my exciting shopping spree. I could have bought loads more, but I've got loads and loads oh, and loads of supplies now. So yeah, so now let me see. This is Cyril. You having a nice time? You like the beach? You like the beach, Cyril? Yes. Tell everyone. I like the beach. He's just gonna have a nap. You gonna have a naps? Yeah. Yeah. It's crazy. Anyway, he thinks I'm going to take him for a walk now. No, I'll give you a treat. Okay. Have fun, and I'll see you back at mine. Bye. For now I